In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your left or driver's side splash shield on your Chevy Cruze. It's located underneath the vehicle on the driver's side. We're going to remove the bolts for the splash shield with a 7mm socket. Some of ours are rotted, so they're just going to fall out, and some of them are missing, but the rest of them are 7mm, so let's continue on. Again, our bolts are pretty crusty and rusty, so yours should come right out. Using a 7mm socket, we're going to continue our way around the splash shield and remove the bolts. I'm going to leave this one for later. And just take this edge out. And now we're going to go on the outside towards the back. You're going to remove this bolt in the middle. Ours is already broken off, but you should do this one last, along with this one. Ours are broken. Install your splash shield. Make sure you have it above the one in the front. Get everything lined up, and you can begin putting your bolts in. Start your first bolt wherever you feel, but I'm going to put mine here. And I'm going to follow the edge and just put more bolts in as I go. Just line them up. Once you get a couple going, it'll hold the splash shield up for you. I'm going to tighten up these two. You're going to continue putting your bolts in. Ours are mostly rusted through on the frame, so it's hard to show, but I can point out where they go. There should be one here. There should be one here. There should be one here. Now you're going to line up your holes with this splash shield above this one. And you can hold it there with your grommet. We had a grommet in ours. And then you're going to put your screws here and here.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.